Kristo, muli po kaming sama-samang lumalapit sa iyo, Ama. Sinasamba ka po namin. Maraming salamat po. Patuloy mo kaming iningatan, sinamahan, di mo kami pinababayaan. Salamat po, pinapanatili mo sa aming mga puso ang liwanag, ang takot, pag-asa na aming tinanggap sa iyo. Salamat din po sa pag-iingat mo sa aming mga mangaral, maging sa aming mga mahal sa buhay, at sa pagpapatuloy ng pangangaral ng iyong mga salita sa pamatubay po sa amin. Palagi po nito, Ama, ang aming paghingi ng tawad sa mga pagkulang namin sa aming mga tungkulin. Patawarin po kami ngayong nagpatawad na po kami sa mga nagkasala sa amin. Ama, samahan mo po ang pagpapatuloy ng pangaral ng ibang salita sa lahat ng paraan, sa lahat ng dako. Buksan mo po ang puso ng mga kapwa-tao namin. Nag-isakinig ay makatwiran. Lalo na po ang aming mga mahal sa buhay. Sana po buksan mo ang kanila mga puso, ang aming mga kaibigan, pati na ang aming mga kaaway. Sana po ay aliwin mo rin ang mga kapwa-tao namin na babagabag sa panahong ito. Doon ang aming nararanasan. Magiging ang namiminuno sa bawat bansa at bayan. Pagtubayan mo po sa pagganap ng kanilang mga tungkulin. Ang mamuli naming itinitiwala sa iyo ang aming mga buhay at kapalaran. Sana po magpagaling ka ng may mga karamdaman at tulungan. Ang may mga suliranin, ilalagak namin sa iyo maging ang aming pumakabalisahan. Salamat po, Ama, sa pangalan ng aming Panginoong Jesucristo. Amen.
Mga kapatid na bahay, nagdating natin ang paspasan ng pagpapala. Ang ating Amang sumasa mga langit, biyaya at pagliligtas ng ating Panginoon Hesus Kristo, ang pakikibisa ng Santong Espiritu mananawa sa ating mga puso, pagpakaibigan kailang paman. Amen.
Arise, take your place, be enthroned on our praise. Arise, King of Kings, Holy God, as we sing.
If we call to Him, He will answer us. If we run to Him, He will run to us. If we lift our hands, He will lift us up. Come now, praise His name, all ye saints of God. Sing for joy. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength, our strength. Draw near to Him, He is here with us. Give Him your love, He's in love with us. He will heal our hearts. He will cleanse our hands. If we rend our hearts, He will heal our land. Yes, He will. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength, our strength. If we call to Him, He will answer us. If we run to Him, He will run to us. If we lift our hands, He will lift us up. Come now, praise His name, all ye saints of God. Draw near. Draw near to Him, He is here with us. Give Him your love, He's in love with us. He will heal our hearts, He will cleanse our hands. If we rend our hearts, He will heal our land. Yes, He will. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength. 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 Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength, our strength.
Evening, Vice Presidents. This is our second annual meeting for the Ninong TV, NTV Corporation. The NTV second annual reportings for expansion of marketing viewers and blog department. So, good evening sa inyong lahat, mga Vice Presidents. This is your President speaking, your Ninong Denver Castro, and I'm very glad na some of you ay nakipag-cooperate. We have two VPs na nag-absent due to their difficult time. May lakad, but anyway, thank you sa mga available VPs na naka-attend as of this moment, because this meeting is very important to discuss our blog and the new blog departments and development na ating itatatag this year, and to fight the competitors na talagang ang dami na natin mga competitors nowadays in our making of video blogs for education and entertainment. So we have Jayon, Vice President, our EVP, and we also have our new VPs, Roy and Alvin. So welcome to our group NTV Corporation. Now, before we start this presentation, I just wanted to have a short prayer kasama ng ating Christian song that will be presented by our blog department, the Lolopong and Mamos video blog. Okay, so thank you for the prayer to our YouTube and for the blog of Lolopong and Mamos video blog sa ating Christian song. Now, for tonight's meeting and for today's video, we will proceed for our Main topic, the NTB annual reportings for expansion of marketing, viewers, and blog departments. Okay, so we are live here on Messenger virtual and to be posted within this week, because today is March 15. We do this presentation so that the people who can watch this get able to subscribe and to discover our new shows and development and new blog department. Is 2025 na last June na magwa 1 year na ay nagsagawa tayo ng first annual meeting, and in that particular we have 14 blog departments. But as of now, we are now getting 20 plus stronger new blog departments. Thank natin Lord na tinutulungan tayo makagawa ng mga programa to produce education, entertainment, and of course to all of my VPs and the board of directors na meron tayo as of now. At nadagdagan na rin ng 3 mga bagong vice president. Wow, grabe. Today, we will discover each other in our achievement that we face through the competitors na meron tayo ngayon sa ating vlogging. And for today, kinakamusta ko muna kayo. So before we start, kamusta naman tayo? So the thing that we will yun, ipipresent ko na yung ating mga bagong board of directors, no, na ating madi-discover here at NTB Corporation. But bago yan, dahil syempre nasa front page tayo, first of all, your very own, kilalang yun naman ang inyong kaharap, your President and CEO, Mr. Edward Castro, handling overall this NTB Corporation para sa ating mga vlogs. And we will have the Executive Vice President for presentations and taping producer once again, Jayon Anthony Makutay. Okay, and our Vice President for Communication and Project Management, Princess Claudette Arabit. And my very own sister, our Senior Vice President for Entertainment and Marketing Development, Princess Alindria, better known as Baby Princess. Yan, may sarili ding YouTube channel yan, subscribe siya. And one of her YouTube, the Lily Princess, is handling also by Ninong TV, our affiliates. And we have Nathaniel Toquero, our Independent Director for Talent and Sales. Long time no see, Kuya Nathaniel. At last year ago, we have him from the 2012 yung Suntalo. Hopefully, makasama ulit natin siya sa mga new projects, because as of now, meron tayo mga bagong movie vlogs na abangan. And my dear parents, our parental guidance counselors, commentators, managers, Ms. Vivian Pupuya and Mr. Dennis Castro. So sila ang ating mga tagapagsubaybay ng ating mga programa, our new shows that need to discover. And ito na nga po ang ating mga bagong Vice President. And beroon my cousin from Pangasinan, we have Alvin Coquia, the Vice President for Research and Development. Yun. So, maligayang pagbati. We are hoping that you enjoy our vlogging. And by the way, nagsisimula na rin po si Alvin. Some of my show, the Bible verses ang kanyang unang na-challenge sa atin. Kaya mapapansin niyo, meron tayong mga bagong talata. So, siya yung nag-develop at nag-research noon. At meron din siyang ginawang simpleng comedy Valentine show. Yung tatlo kami dito, Alvin, ako at si Roy, that we're discovering chicks or girls. Diba? Ito si Alvin gumawa nito para to develop and to expand our vlogging. And then, it's a cartoon show. It's just like an anime. So, si Alvin nakakita ng chicks. Uy, mga kuya, may chicks. Sabi naman ni Roy, saan? And then, ako naman, next time na lang, umulan pa ng mga money. So, Alvin, thank you for that very wonderful Valentine's Comedy Mini vlog na ginawa. So, kaya itong ating mga Vice President is working and developing and helping to expand, no, our vlog na tayo ay makapagbigay ng education and entertainment as well sa mga manonood. And of course, ito yung aming kapartner. Si Roy Conice is our new Vice President also for business partner, vlog support, and editing management. Yeah. Roy Conice is also my cousin from Makati City and originally came from Pangasinan. So, mga Pangasinan boys kasi kami dito. So, Roy is one of my kababata since year 2000 until now. So, Roy is first project na na-emphasize niya is yung excuse me, yung ating ML in the Jem Canlas Revival that we presented the ML vlog. So, creation niya yung ML siya. And then, some of the new slides of the Henry, the King of Philippine Business, yung mga jumping word with picture, creation po yun ng ating Vice President Roy Conice. Salamat that the Ninong TV expanding its view and its slide, no, para tayo makapagbigay ng great production sa ating mga manonood. For that presentation that you've shared for the following weeks na nakalipas. And still, our production manager at birthday lang last time, my sister, Aya Kokuya, our production manager and HR and producer ng ating NTV Corporation. So, that's Aya Kokuya. At isa rin nating new AVP or Assistant Vice President for NTV Corporations, Ayesha Juarez. Ako sa Batang SM. Gumanap siyang Jancy. Oo, si Jancy, kapiling niya na rin ng Lolo Henry. Pero dito sa movie natin, hindi muna natin siya in-ending. Oo, hindi natin naisali yung story niya, but baka sa part 2 ng ano natin, ng movie vlog to Henry C, ma-emphasize natin yung buhay ni Jancy. Kasi si Jancy yung apo ni Henry C. So, ito yung gumanap si Ayesha. Diba? Alright. So, welcome to Ninong TV, NTV Corporation, Ayesha. And once again, our NTV vlog partners, we have Coach Renzi Bahar, LCP Films Production of Nicola Corte, Mamlit Canlas and the Canlas siblings, Castro Investments, Cocoya Investments, RJ Productions by Ramon Jacinto, and our updated new partners, SM Supermalls. Kasama na yan si SMBC, si SM Care, diba? Yung other new vlog department na tayo po itinangkilik at inawardan ng SM as our best vlogger, and PNB Alliance as approval na tayo po ay makapaggawa ng mga vlog content to help them also na makahanap ng mga customers for insurance and more business. So, thank you. Later on, we will discover our achievements. So, once again, ano bang meron sa NTV, lalo na sa ating mga bagong Vice Presidents, the NTV Corporations, or better known as Ninong TV Vlog Corporations, your educational and entertainment department program. So, welcome to NTV Corporations. This is the official department program for vlogs made for educational and entertainment purposes. Made for the students and researchers to view our latest shows, histories, and the greatest and the latest shows. o yung ating mga latest vlogs ng ating programa. Okay. So, now, after we presented yung ating mga newest BT, I just wanted to share to you yung ating 2025 projects of the Ninong TV, so that we will discover yung ating mga bagong programa. So I wanted you to check it out.
much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market-leading project. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. NBC.
Hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina. Good practice at hard work. Sumama ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Philippine business.
Nawa ang matuwid sa kanila
mas ma-promote natin yung pag-ibig, di ba? Sabi nga sa Golden Rule, Yesu Cristo noon ay siya rin ngayon at magpapalaman. Huwag ka.
I really like those of the scripture Bible verse that we will have Jesus to guide on us in any problems with family and friends this pandemic. We will
From Corinto chapter 10 verse 11, ang mga bagay na ito ay nangyari sa kanila na.
The new better idea. I thought for excited.
What's up, all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Servicio Tito Henry.
Hello, Roy. So, nandito na si Roy, our new Vice President. Hello. Ito, naririnig ba ako?
Hello.
Ayun, malakas ang signal ni Roy. Hindi nga lang kita nakikita pero naririnig kita, malakas.
Oo, kasi nasa terrace ako eh.
Okay lang. So, kanina nagsimula na ako, pinakita na yung mga kalahati ng mga our vlog show. So, na-discover mo na yung ating mga bagong VP, kumbaga Vice President ng ating Ninong TV. Ngayon, may screen share ako para mapanood mo rin yung mga slide ko.
Sige,
sa loob ka ng bahay?
Terrace.
Terrace. Pero sa loob na sa bahay ka naman?
Oo.
Okay. So, share. Ayan.
Kita ko naman.
So, nakikita mo yung yung aking screen?
Oo, nakikita ko.
Ayun, very good. So, dito sa NTV, meron tayong mga slide dito. So, later on, makikita natin ulit yung mga production slide ng ating topic.
Okay.
Ayan. Itatampo ko sa iyo yung ating project. So, meron tayong upcoming movie vlog this 2025, yung Unconditional. So, coming this April to May 5, baka sa inyo may available na gustong umattend. Baka ikaw, Roy, baka gusto mong umattend dito for a taping. Nangangailangan din kami ng mga casting. Ayan, for a movie vlog na mangyayari. And then, the next slide neto, scripts will be sent after this meeting to be passed on March 25. So, ito yung ating mga BP. Yung nakilala mo na yung mga bago nating BP. Si Princess, si Jeyon, Ayesha, sila yung makakasama natin sa paggawa ng mga vlogs ng Ninong TV natin. And then, sa March 31, meron din silang matatanggap na mga talent fees. Okay. So, kamusta ka naman, Roy? Nandiyan na si Titana?
Oo, kakasundo ko lang.
Si Kuya Rek mo?
Nandito na, nagpapapahinga.
So, meron akong mga ipapagawa sa inyo, mga BPs. And ikaw din, Roy, kasama ka na rin dito. Hindi naman siya mahirap eh. Ang gagawin nyo ay gagawa kayo ng TikTok account para masuportahan yung ating Ninong TV. Ito, si Vice President Princess Claudette Arabit, meron kasi siyang ginawang TikTok ng NTV Corporation na ako yung nakapagawa doon. To post yung ating mga program, yung ating mga project shows ng Ninong TV. So, gusto ko naman ngayon to expand our views and market. We will have si Jeyon Anthony Makutay, siya ang gagawa ng TikTok marketing to the Jephon Last Revival Vlog Specials. And then, si ABP or Ayesha Juarez, siya naman ang gagawa ng TikTok marketing sa Ninong sa Japan. And ito, for Roy, bilang BP, gagawa ka ng TikTok ng SMDC video vlog. So, gagawa ka ng TikTok, di ba may TikTok ka dyan?
Oo, meron.
Gagawa ka ng account, ang pangalan, SMDC Video Vlogs. Ngayon, ang i-focus mo doon is more on condo. Yung mga vlogs natin, vlogs ko na nagbebenta ko ng condo. Para hindi lang siya sa Facebook, hindi lang siya sa YouTube, sa TikTok rin, baka may makadiscover. At makakabenta and makakapagbigay tayo ng education, entertainment, in learning SMDC condos. Baka may kumontak o hati-hati tayo dyan mga BPs o mga family natin. Diba? So, it's a great marketing na makagawa tayo nito. So, ito na nga. in your TikTok can also earn from 3 pesos to 10 pesos. Yung parang manonood ka ng mga TikTok show eh. So, you are watching TikTok show, tapos scroll ka lang, kikita ka na ng 5 pesos hanggang umabot na ng 20 pesos. Pwede nyo siyang gawin sa mga TikToks na nagawa nyo so that meron din kayong personal savings. So, yung iba nga daw nakakabot ng 100, nakakabot ng 50. Depende kung talagang tutok na tutok sila umaga hanggang gabi na nanonood ng TikTok. So, good for your savings. Printing flyers to market Ninong TV on your classmates and friends. Kasi, nanggagawa din ako ng mga flyers. Pinamimigay ko yun sa mga students, sa mga subscriber para kumalat yung ating vlog. So, parang marketing talaga siya. Nagbibigay ka ng flyers sa mga students, sa mga parents to subscribe our educational and entertainment shows. So, ayun. To post and to repost, itong gagawin nyo rin pala. Pagka nakagawa na kayo ng TikTok nyo, to repost and to repost, ano ba tong to reposted? So, based on your position account, holds to market and to boost your vlog department for subscribers and to reach more followers and subscribers. Halimbawa, may TikTok na kayo, SMBC TikTok, Ninong sa Japan TikTok. Ang mga i-reposted nyo yung connected sa topic. Halimbawa, Japan. Kay Ayesha, Ninong sa Japan. Dapat magre-reposted siya ng mga Japan post, food trip, travel, pasyal. So, ganun ka rin, Roy. Sa gagawin mo, reposted, halimbawa, may makita kang post ng SMBC, i-reposted mo siya para mapupunta siya sa ating vlog. And then,
okay, gets.
After neto, the next slide. Oh, ba't lumiit? Oh. Okay, so what's this? All vice president, aside from blog workings, must like, comment, and subscribe our blog departments and to gain subscribers. Ayan. So, follow din, subscribe din, i-share sa family and friends. And ito, ang ating achievement. Hindi ko lang to achievement natin tong lahat at gusto ko i-share ko to sa inyo kasi kasama ko kayo dito sa Ninong TV. Isa rin kayo sa mga tumutulong para ma-survive ang ating business vlog. So, the NTV achievement, last September lang, si Ma'am Maria Lourdes Nieva ay nagpa-avail ng kanyang birthday vlog to download into YouTube. So, birthday ng mama niya, nagpagawa sila ng video vlog sa atin sa Ninong TV. So, that's a first. She is the first customer na ating maipagmamalaki sa ating Ninong TV sa pagbablog. Na-discover tayo, nag-chat siya personally sa Facebook na gusto magpagawa ng birthday vlog. Ayun. So, thank you for that. And nung May 2024 lang din sa MOA, na-discover at na-awardan na ang Ninong TV nyo as best vlogger ng SM. At nagkaroon na rin ng rocket working o parang tawag dito substitute na nagbebenta ng kondo na bigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na maging PA because of doing vlog and marketing itong SMBC ng Tito Entry nyo. Tapos last time lang nung nag-Makati tour ako, yung PNB Alliance ay binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na mag-vlog to vlog the business insurance of PNB. Ayun. So, yung NTB Corporation at Alliance PNB nagkasundo na pwede tayong gumawa ng vlogs para sa PNB. Ayun. And of course, si...
PNB?
Oh, yes. Yung Philippine National Bank sa Makati. Nung last time nag-Makati ako.
PNB, kala ko PNB.
Yes. Yun yung yung purpose nun tsaka yung ating application. Tapos si dati ko Dennis ay nagpa-avail na rin ng kanyang pagda-download ng ating vlogs for Lolo Pong and Mamos Video Vlogs, our parental guidance counselor. Ayun. So, that's our achievements na ating ma-share. So,
Okay, sige,
next
sige.
naman,
Copy.
oh yes. Ayan. So, aside from making TikTok vlogs, please like and subscribe nyo na rin ito sa Facebook nyo and buy our Ninong TV Vlog Store. Oh, ito yung business natin, Roy. Ay, yung ating Ninong TV Vlog Store. Diba? So, nag-expand na rin tayo in selling gadget, charger, phone case, and even future gadget. So, i-PM nyo lang si Ninong nyo kung paano makapag-avail nito. So, sales can also be our source to improve our vlog departments and marketings and for the board of directors fund. Ayan. So, kamusta naman ang sales natin? Kasi si Roy ang humahawak ng ating NTV vlog store. So, may mga bumibili pa rin ba?
Meron naman.
Ayan, very good, very good. So, the next naman, ayan, ito talagang mission ng ating vlog. For this year, we need to reach the 1K subscribers. Itong 2025, sana magawa natin. Kasi as of now, we have 706, pero nadagdagan ng isa, 707 na siya. We need more 300 people to make things happen. To be ready. Yeah. Oh. Parang ganon. And pag nangyari ang 1K subscriber na yan, syempre may mga celebrations tayong gagawin. Ayan. So, if we reach the 1K subscribers, this is the things that we will do. So, unang-una, magpasalamat tayo kay Lord, kay Jesus, dahil nangyari to. Virtual celebrations, food trip, sing dance, presentation, CSR activities, magkakaroon tayo ng mga church donations, storms and life helps donation, yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong, street donation, so magkakaroon din tayo ng mga pagtulong sa mga mahihirap, sa mga taong kalye, abot-abutan natin ng simpleng pagkain, etc. And then all VPs and board of directors will have its incentive bonus to receive, syempre naman. Dahil tagumpay natin tong lahat na makapag 1K subscribers at lahat tayo ay may reward. Okay, kaya tulong-tulong lang tayo na mangyari to. And of course, if we reach the 1K subscribers, our vlog will improve more. New shows to create talent. And vlog managers up to new vice president. So magkakaroon tayo ng mga bagong tauhan. And your president now will be your chairman vlogger na and CEO. And the new board of directors to be earned. So yan ang ating ma-achieve pagka maka 1K subscribers tayo. So sana this year. Kasi 300 more na lang. Oh yeah, marami pa namang buwan. So, Vice President, thank you for joining this night of meeting para sa ating NTV second annual reportings for expansion of marketing viewers and vlog department. So, to all of our duty Vice President na mga gagawing mga vlog marketing, in their TikTok, we have for Jayon to market with kay John Candas, and then kay ABP to Ayesha, we will have yung kanyang ninong sa Japan, and then si Roy sa kanyang SMDC vlog. And before I end, ito gusto ko lang din ipakita sa inyo. You also subscribe and let's also promote yung mga vlogs ni Roy Conise, our Vice President of Vlog, and the vlog of my Tito Joan Cohuya, who is now a vlogger, na we are planning na maging business vlog partner natin tong kanyang vlog na Boss Lakay Speed TV Vlogs because I see that it's expanding. 2 years lang siya nagbablog, 6,000 subscriber na. So, the NTV is planning to buy one half of its vlog department na magkakaroon din tayo ng vlog department na Boss Lakay Speed TV came from my dito. So, we will buy at least 10 video vlogs to promote and to post on our Ninong TV. And I will also request na mag-post siya ng ating mga vlogs ng Ninong TV. So, this year, I'm planning so that because I see the more expanding dito sa ating vlog to have more views. And yung kanyang vlogs dito is more on food trip, the working as a security guard. So he's working here, and then he is also sharing his experience kung paano maging worker. So this is a good show na pwede natin ma-emphasize. For a 6,000 subscriber, will jump also to Ninong TV so that our Ninong TV will be also discovered, diba? So this is a great combination and business partner na body discover natin. So once again, thank you very much, Vice President, for this night. Have a good night to all of you. And before I end this presentation, so meron tayong Bible verse na madi-discover came from Brother Daniel at makakasama natin sa paparating na slide. So abangan nyo kung saan siya magpapakita doon. Oh, bago pala tayo mag-end, happy birthday pala to our PM, Production Manager ng Ninong TV, Aya Pokia. Happy birthday! Na sineselebrate ang kanyang birthday noong March 13 ago, pero this week, birthday week niya. So my sister, thank you for having in the Ninong TV. We love you and long life at naway makatulong pa sa ating vlog. So our verse for today from Brother Daniel. God bless all of us. Thank you sa mga nag-join. From Mateo chapter 6 verse 15, datapwat kung hindi ninyo ipatawad sa mga tao ang kanilang mga kasalanan, ay hindi rin naman kayo patatawarin ng inyong Ama ng inyong mga kasalanan. So thank you to all of you, Vice Presidents of Ninong TV. To all of our subscribers, subscribe to Ninong TV, and we will expand more our video vlog para sa ating mga manunood for education and entertainment as well. Dito lang po yan sa ating Ninong TV through the NTV Corporation. Salamat po. And naway kayo po ay makatulong ng mabuti and makapag-dinner na rin. Ilan sa atin hindi ka nakapag-dinner, even your Ninong. So inuna muna natin tong mabubuting gawain production to discover the 2025 show ng ating Ninong TV. Maraming salamat po. And thank you.